Guys, it's almost 5 o'clock in the evening, and you know what your girl's doing? Taking her daily natural wear makeup off today. Look at these brows. Don't they look spiffy? I like them. I love them a lot. Filled them in really good today. Anyways, I gotta wash them all off. You know why? Because I'm going to get lash extensions. I'm going to get lash extensions. It's what my youngest daughter's getting me for Mother's Day. I'll have an update with you guys soon, and especially have before and after pictures for you. See y'all in a little bit. There they are, you guys. They're done. Look. She did such a good job. So I am not one that can be hypnotized or anything of that matter. And I had such high anxiety going in there and laying down and having my eyes closed. It actually took 2 hours to get them done. Y'all, it was the best experience I have had in such a long time. I actually fell asleep on her table multiple times. I was snoring. Yeah, it was so relaxing. Now, I don't know if I'll keep up with these. They are a little big. I mean, here they are again. And I will show close-up pictures after this so that you guys can see the close-ups of the before and afters together and everything. So I don't know if I'll keep up with them. It's going to be a little hard putting on eyeshadow and stuff. They do curl up quite a bit. I mean, they're not natural looking whatsoever. And you know your girl does a lot of natural stuff. So I don't know if I'll keep up with them, but it was such a wonderful, amazing experience. Everybody should get their lashes done at least once. Just for the experience, if not for anything. I mean, just for the experience. What an amazing experience. I will list Miss Brittany's Instagram down below in the comments, or not in the comments, I'm sorry, in the description, so that you guys can go check out her Instagram. She's up and coming. She was absolutely phenomenal. Great mannerism. A wonderful job. Amazing job. I mean, wow. Yeah, look at these lashes, you guys. All right, guys. That is it. The before and afters of my lash extensions getting done for the very first time. Thank you so much, my wonderful, amazing daughter, Bella. Thank you, baby girl. I love you so very much. And with that being said, you guys, I'm going to throw up the last of the after pictures for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.